Today it is the 18th of September 2020, and this is Hallintokatu 5, staircase A, in Järvenpää Treskenда. There's its center of it, or almost, but it's by the railway station, in Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. This one has 6 floors, let me just focus. And it was built in 1990, turning 30 years old this year in 2020 when it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is 442167. And it's got 6 floors.
Entä asuntoskehti Järvenpään oiva?
Yes. I just thought it would be something like 1990, but I was a little bit hoping for like 1987 or something.
Yeah.
But I don't think we have 1987 in Schindler in Finland. I think 1988 was the earliest.
Yeah.
But it's perfect to get this filmed when it's turning 30 years old. It's anniversary.
Yeah.
It's anniversary. The 30th anniversary.
Yeah.
Shall we get another ride?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can press. Probably has full memory.
Yeah.
But one button should be green.
Yeah. Inspected by inspected maintained by Schindler.
Could be maintained by Connie also, but it's Schindler, so it's the same company.
Yeah.
I like the braking sounds from the machine
Same
when
here.
it's stopping. I love it. It's typical of Schindler from this time, but also of Schlieren is sounding the same,
Yeah.
or similar type of machines, basically. Yes. Thank you very much for watching.
That's